In 1999, I went to have a look at my documents in the Stasi archives. And to my great surprise, there were 3 documents there. The report by the local cop when I was 16. The second document, which with hindsight, you laugh about it because it looks like German bureaucracy gone mad. It was a form. They obviously knew I was going to meet my Austrian boyfriend in Prague, and we were traveling there. And there was a form with little boxes, reasons for traveling, and there were such lovely things as industrial espionage, political espionage, prostitution. And then there was a box called Liebesinteresse, love interest, and somebody had ticked that box. So they knew exactly when we were going, who I was meeting, and that we were in a relationship.